Hi, I'm Morgan and I'm making this video for week 4 of UC Berkeley's Blockchain Challenge Lab. My teammates are Ed, Nilesh, and Puru. This week, we took turns brainstorming ideas and mapping out those ideas on a whiteboard so that we could visualize the process flow for each one. We made sure to ask ourselves questions like, what inefficiency is this solution trying to solve? Why is blockchain necessary? And who are our customers going to be? Like, who's going to actually use this? One challenge that we ran into was the holes that each of us has about our blockchain knowledge. And another challenge was the assumptions that we make about what's possible with blockchain technology. Now, the blockchain technology, while seemingly straightforward, it has a lot of complex subtleties involved that we either took for granted or kind of hand-waved over. For example, we talked about solutions in commerce. And to do that, we have to assume that the parties involved transact in cryptocurrency. But honestly, none of us could identify any of our friends or anyone that we knew that actually transacted with cryptocurrency, and we couldn't name any stores that took cryptocurrency. And also, blockchain has a very steep learning curve to get over. Stuff like consensus, digital signatures, state changes are all, some say, like fundamental topics, and that if you're going to have a discussion about like what's possible, everybody has to be sort of on the same page. So that's something that we realized while we're having the discussion. The things that we learned this week had a lot to do with smart contract design and deployment, and how the code works in Ethereum with Solidity, and what its limitations and capabilities are. So Nilesh and I both independently started doing Ethereum tutorials on Udemy, which I've listed below. And we both found these courses very helpful in understanding how function calls work and how the flow of smart contracts works. That concludes my team's video for week 4. Thank you for watching.